Alright guys, what is up? I have another video for you guys today. Today is basically like a car day vlog where we just clean some stuff up on our cars. My buddy Chase came over and he helped me with my downpipe, and then he painted his wheels, did some arrows, so I hope you guys like that. Then we went and met my new friend Ryan with his slammed bagged WRX. It's wide bodied and has the most beautiful arrow I've ever seen. It's absolutely gorgeous. Shout out to him for letting me film. It was so sick. I hope we can do it again. His Instagram is baggedrex801, and I hope you guys will follow him, give him a like, give him a comment, show your support, and hopefully we can film again. I hope you guys like today's video, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow. This thing is absolutely insane. It is so wide and so cambered, it's nuts. I can't wait for you guys to see it. Alright you guys, I hope you like today's video. Tomorrow there will be an edit, just a pure edit of Ryan's WRX, and it's gonna be sick, so please stay tuned for tomorrow. Show your support, give me a like, give me a comment, and I'll catch you guys tomorrow.